Lot 14, Oak Knob Toro Liz, born 9/5/2012. Liz is a Springwalk Sherbert's Toro daughter. Her dam, Oak Knob Lucas Lexi, in 2 years, 10 months, 337 days, produced 17,020 pounds of milk with a 4.3% fat, 728 pounds of fat, 3.3% protein, and 567 pounds of protein. The Grand Dam, Oak Knob Cosmo Lickety, is an excellent 90-point cow at 4 years 1 month, with a 90-point udder and 90-point leg. At 1 years 11 months 330 days, produced 17,440 pounds of milk, with a 4.9% fat, 862 pounds of fat, 3.3% protein, 567 pounds of protein. At 3 years 10 months 327 days, produced 15,760 pounds of milk, 4.9% fat, 777 pounds of fat, 3.5% protein, and 548 pounds of protein. Lot 14, Oak Knob Toro Liz.